All right, we're recording. All right, I got a 2015 Dodge Ram Promaster 1500. Came into the shop for originally a what? A sensor issue.
Yeah,
Fixed the sensor issue, and now the vehicle is a... Where's the key? Find the key. Find the key. Find the key. And we have nothing. We have no crank, no dash, no nothing. And actually now the key's stuck in the ignition because I got no power. Yeah, oh, well, we can pull the button and do that. That's like cheating. There you go. All right, so what we did first, let me come around this way. I'm gonna walk around you. I did want to check the underhood fuse box for a few things. Got the coffee. Front junction box was full of water, corroded, relays, flipped it over. Oh, you put it back in already?
Yeah.
Oh, I had it upside down. Actually was smoking out the bottom, had a burn mark. I have a couple pictures, I'll include them. Water actually poured out of the cable. 3 weeks on back order on the fuse box. Drove halfway across the country to find a used one, put it in, and we can continue. We still have the same issue, but at least we don't have a smoking fuse box. Oh, sorry. The red and black wire is our feed. I'll include a diagram. I'll do a layover on a diagram. The red and black is our feed from fuse to 96, which they so nicely just stick in the battery box, which is in the floor. The fuse is good. What I want to do is, let me just back out a second. Oh, I gotta do this all one-handed. This is gonna be great. Now, come on. Oh, I can't do it one-handed. Let's unplug my light bulb. Come on. Da, 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 da. Let's start from scratch here for everybody. So we come over with our, flip that over. Where's my ground? Okay, start from scratch. Put the meter on, make sure my meter works. There we go, we got good battery. Now I come over here and, oh, drop that. There we go, unplug this. Take this. We're going to stick that right in that red wire. No, I'm not spreading any terminals. And we have voltage. Until, I'm going to try to back probe it here. Actually, I'm not going to be able to do that. There's just no way. Not and plug it in. I can't do both. Come on. Okay, now I'm going to check it. Now I'm going to get back in there. And I got nothing. So, you know where I'm going with this, right? So, let's, hence the light bulb, right? Let's load the circuit up. Let's unplug everything. Let's put the light bulb in the circuit. All right? The importance of load testing a circuit. Voltmeters are great. Power probes are useful. Now I have 12 volts and a light bulb. Get in there. Now I'm in the same wire. I have no voltage. I have no light bulb. Pull the bulb out. 12 volts. Put the bulb back in. Importance of load testing a circuit. So, and let's go one step further. Let's go to the fuse right here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Bulb, 12 volts. Grab the other side of the fuse. 12 volts. and a bulb. Somewhere between here, and this is my red and black wire. Where is it? Right here. That's my red and, it's hard to see it, that's my red and black. That goes right there. Somewhere between here and where it runs under the floor, and I'm going to guess it's going to be somewhere right in here, and then they just immediately just pop it out of the floor. This wire's broken, or just about broken, or corroded. There's no connections, it doesn't go anywhere else. It's a direct connection from here to there, and I've actually went ahead and used a jumper to jumper from the other side of the fuse right up to the ignition switch, and it works. So I'll follow up when I find it. All right, follow up. There it is. I pulled the panel off. I checked it here. I had no. I had loaded 12 volts. I didn't have. I had it over there. Pull the wire back. There's your problem, lady. That wire is broken. That's the end of that. We fixed it. Say hello to the audience. Awesome. Good guys here. All right, gotta go. That's it for now. Bye.